This is a Century Communities Plan Davis, and this one is on a cul-de-sac street. And it's right here in Granger Pines. And you can see the roof on here is dimensional shingle roof. It's nice. Let's go inside and take a look. You got bedroom 1. Full bathroom. Tub shower combination, and you got a closet in here. This is granite. Here's bedroom 2. Okay, so then you come over here and there's like this flex area, or it could be a dining room or a flex space, whatever you want. Then right off the garage, you could put like a hall tree or something right here. Here's your utility room. And I wonder, let's see. I don't know, you might be able to get like a chest freezer right here. "20 by 20 garage, tankless water heater in the corner. Electrical panel is inside, garage door opener. Sprinkler system, all that is included. Here is a closet off the front door. Big living area, eating area over here. And here's the kitchen. Haven't turned that on yet. Oh, yeah, there it is. This has a covered patio, stub out for gas. This is a big yard. The alarm will go here. Here's the primary suite. You come on in here, here's the bathroom. You got 2 sinks, granite, stand-up shower. This closet is decent, this is big. And the toilet has a door, which is good. And that'll do it. Century Communities Plan Davis. It has gray cabinets and a darker floor. If you have any questions about it, let me know.